at lunch with your mom.
She's at work. You?
Well, you know, it's for lunch.
An apple, blueberry muffin, and chocolate milk. And it's very, very delicious.
Sounds it. Save me a spot.
We'll do our best. I mean, we'll try.
Great, I'll go save us a table.
There's really no need. No one really ever wants to sit with us.
Oh, Augie, they have cupcakes.
Cupcakes! So excited. I'm first in line. I'm gonna get my cupcake.
Move, do it on first.
Really? You pushed me out of the way for a banana?
Do you know that 1 out of 3 kids is overweight and bordering on obesity? Potassium is the elixir of a healthy heart. Any other question? No fish? $1, Augustus.
Let's see. Okay, let's see. That's right. Ding! Okay, let's see. That's 10, 12, 13, 14, 25. Wait, 7, 8, 9. Seems I'm pretty short. Can I get to you tomorrow? I'm good for it. No, a penny I can borrow.
Augustus, do you have the dollar or not?
The guy behind me is gonna pay.
No cookie for you. Short again?
That sucks.
Sorry, we already finished. Ow, hey!
Hey! Your mom's chest there!
You okay?
That's it.
You gonna eat that?
Do it again, do it again.
Don't force someone to blow food out of their nose if they don't want to.
That's it.
Hey! What am I saying?
I don't even know how I did this in the first place.
Lunch lady, she's coming this way.
Man, she probably thinks I stole the cupcake. Sit, distract. That's you. Nothing. That's you. That's you. None of this is working. I don't get it.
Augie, I'm a witness. You're a miracle worker. Just think, if you could do it again, you can feed starving children around the world just by sneezing.
Nice job, Sid.
Maybe she didn't see me?
Where did that come from?
What? I don't see anything. Wait, do you see anything? Wait.
Silence! You stole a cupcake.
Me? No, I am.
My friend Augie here is a very special person.
Rose, no.
No, Augie, you have a gift. You should tell the whole world. Augie here can make cupcakes from his nose, and I bet that they're better than yours. What flavor?
What? Wait. Just
Strawberry. Think you could do one in chocolate?
I was swear it was an accident. I don't know how I did it. I was just eating my salt and pepper when... Action! How did you know?
I am your mother.
Awkward.
I can't wait to make gift baskets. No more world hunger, no more world hunger. Can you make me a banana cupcake? Low cal.